Hi guys, I would like to make this announcement. Many people have asked me to start teaching also Hebrew language, and it was repeated many times. So I decided to start making these Hebrew along with the Arabic lessons, to make also Hebrew lessons for you, for the ones who asked me, and also to enrich my channel with many languages, with all the languages that I know. I would like, to give you what I know, my knowledge of languages, to help you, even if I'm not a native Hebrew speaker. Okay, so I would like to make clear this point that I'm an Arab. My mother tongue is Arabic, but I grew up learning both Arabic and Hebrew at the same level, so I'm able to teach it also as a mother tongue. But remember, I'm not a Hebrew mother tongue, okay? I'm not a Hebrew native speaker. I will do my best also to teach you how to write the letters in Hebrew, what are the differences between Arabic and Hebrew. You know that both languages come from Aramaic roots, so they are really similar at some points and really different at some other points. So it will be a challenge and a funny way to be able to tell you the differences between these two languages, because I know both of them. And I would like also to tell you one thing. If you have learned already Arabic, it's like you have no problem to pass to Hebrew and study it, because they are so similar. And if you have studied, it's the same. If you have studied Hebrew, then it's no problem to pass to the Arabic language, because they are really so similar, and you will find that out. Apart from the letters, they are completely different, the letters, but the language, the way it functions, the roots of verbs, they are really similar. All right, so I just wanted to invite you to follow these lessons, and share your video responses with me to my lessons, and that's it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned to the first Hebrew lesson. Okay, bye bye.